Are aware of my dynamics organization? Where do we come from? What was our land back in the days? And what is going on now? More than anything, in to withdraw a task team, a business investigation, and yet we have not received a presentation at the investigation officially. When I'm at least okay now, when I everything, I was saying to myself, if I have a bunch of say I don't think I assume any problem for now, there, I gave this country team what I was when I'm at the head. Because we are now talking about operational things. And whether you can't say this doesn't work, this works. How would you get into a conclusion? In my appointment, if there's an intelligence that you have that says unali manipulation, unali things, then you can justify and say, okay, before you continue, I need brief food was here's about. But the low stop operation on its track, investigation on its track, we stop it. It's going to have some implications. So that was my concern. We check the Mtala and local Menai. And for tomorrow, with the legal trailer, isn't being some officials because isn't some officials who is a problem. Some officials of the night from an order. It's a decision now, but a decision about officials who say decision about some way 30 apply this mind on it.
Anje nalento ke sivela kanjena kwamina ngingakamtsheli yabona nje hey isiyahlupha ngoba
yilabo sifuna umtshela khona ubona ukuthi the reason why ufuna ukumbona into njengana lezi.
Ngoba abantu uyabona kwayena izogcina ifikile kushuthi lento ngoba sazi phela iseculator kanjani lento manje.
Izofika.
And inegama lami phezulu manje sethi awusangitshela into esensitive kangaka.
Ilapho sefanele ukumtshela khona ukuthi ngithe mangabe ngifuna ukubona ngale ndaba le. Wathona sihlangana eCape Town. Umtshela futhi bona ndifuna ukubona wathi sihlangana eCape Town. I was willing to intervene the winner because there are certain things that came to my attention. But when what was slung in the Cape Town, so within the Cape Town.
Hey. Sengimbona kusasa ngimtshele sengomkhombisa nayo lento esibhalwe kanjela. Ngaphela
esizana esayidini manje izinto
na isikhuluma yonke into lena as much as nawe kade uwonisha ama fight back nani kodwa leke ngathi kuya exaggerate.
That's what is going to stand up.
Ngoba yabona nje angikhumbuli uthi small boy and manje into exakayo the real facts angwaboni lana yabona nje mekuthiwa mhlambe bekulalela ifoni amafoni ethu kufanele ngabe ubhalile la ukuthi akayiyeke lento mengabe clean noma ukuthi akakaza athathe lutho kumuntu into ezikanjalo kufanele ngabe sibhaliwe la
exactly
mekuwukuthi lo muntu belalela amafoni
conversation
ngoba yabona lokho bengeka kushiya ngaphela ku inline ngalezi zinto ayishoyo yeah ngoba lokwe warrant awukazi ukusho
imagine
ngazokusho uyichazile impela nje ukuthi fight back nje and I'm sure now umuonisha phela ngoba uyamazi awuqala ukumazi manje ukuthi kuzoba ne fight back la mawuzazi uclean amaphoyisa azokujijibeza.
Yeah, because that's what they're going to do. But must be to survive and others who can't go down again. So that is my only worry. kodwa nokulungile.
Ngizoma explainela mhlambe ke mayise yithola nazo lezi zinto mhlambe uzokuthinta.
Hayi ngiyozwa ngayo mina.
Soza mothi uthini. Then lama sengimbonile mhlambe ngizokubrief.
Yabona namanje ngisasho ngithi the biggest thing that I've been talking about angekho umuntu ofuna ukuyilalela kuze namhlanje eyokuthi abantu be-intelligence manje batholakala benze into wrong. Akumelanga bathathwe departmentally. Kumele basuswe kwi-crime intelligence bawubekwa somewhere else. Because they are used to all these dirty things that is going to create a problem for the organization. For instance, bantu banema-access ama-secret estate. As an example. Whether Khan, whether Muji, whether Ubando Cape Town.
Otiyo.
Uthi kunezinto ababa involved nazo during their line of operations. Othola ukuthi zi-involve ne-leadership political. Izinto abangathi mase be-desperate ukuthi thina we can't go down alone. Bagcina sebezi-expose. Ayisho kudala le. Amanje ngisayisho ukuthi akasuswe abasuswe one moment ethi umuntu wenza into wrong then liqhama ku-IPD le recommendation yabo khanda ayiqhama ku-IPD okay IPD siqhame nento so ndoda sekususa sokubeka somewhere else by so doing even though the departmental thing yakhona must just die Webona umshifta kwi-department emaphoyiseni usuke kwenye or umsuse emaphoyiseni umuze kwi-department yazi ukuthi umdluli ngaba endishela kanjani lapha
wenza kanjani
kanjalo usithola kanti usithola lokungena lo umdluli kunale standard esikhona ngesiphelele yenza so lo muntu uthanda president umthatha ukuthi akarizane emaphoyiseni uma arrange ku-state security ukuthi kumfake secret operation state security. Ayusebenza as an agent. By so doing, President Zobahave would is still around. The public behave would have said, "Come on, say." They got the 10 homes. I'm so sorry that I eventually get finishing anything. So Nala. It's the same thing, so. Tell abantu abafisa ama-disciplinary steps kwi-crime intelligence. Bengamelanga bathathwe. Bengafika ukuthi mase kuthola evidence ukuthi kune-misconduct so umuntu akasusa. Angaphelelwa umsebenzi asuswe. Whether ususelwa la emaphoyiseni or usiwa kwi-defense intelligence usiwa kwi-state security. Laba basamdinga bangamthoba sangamsebenzisi in another field. Bayabona nje mina personally ngiyazi relationship ukhanda nayo no Julius. Ngiyazi ukuthi awuclose le. Ukuyetafuleni was not by mistake. So umbuzo ekutheni-ke obana ba-influencer bangabe se-face of music usupport ubani for i-defense yakhe. Badefende umuntu efanele bamdefende yini.
Exactly.
Bese kuzoba usibiya nawe nezakhe East. Une-history yakhe naye. Kwafa abantu eZimbabwe lapha kuthiwa rendition. Ngemva yabo usibiya.
Hayi ke ngale.
So ziningi inkinga ezikhona. So into ebalulekile nje ukuthi mina okwami ukuthi boss